Irritating, huh? What up, everybody? What up? Here with me, I've been using this for a year. It's the Elysium low-free keyboard. For those who actually don't know this keyboard, it is a wireless Bluetooth keyboard that can pair up to 3 devices. Because I really need this at the time was purely because I had like my iPad, and if you can see these monitors here. Oh yeah, this is a new workstation. I just bought a small desk just for this one. We shall just not talk about it because I don't want to talk about it. And today we are going to unbox the Keychron K6. So I've actually done a lot of research on these Keychron keyboards, and you know, it has like compact design. It has dual compatibility, okay, which you can actually use for your MacBooks, your iMacs, and you know, it has MacBook layout, and it can be used as a wireless and also a wired one. You can pair up to 3 devices. Again, that's the only reason why I bought this. Very good battery life. Can last up to 4 weeks if the backlight is disabled. Anyway, this is the RGB one. The RGB lights. And yeah, the light effects. 15 plus light effects to switch from. Let's do the unboxing and see how it goes, or how it looks like in real life. Let's go! Alright, so a pair of scissors. Just cut it open here. I will have to clean that up later. This is the Keychron K6. Oh, it has like the Apple feel. Ooh. Sweet! Instruction manual that can change light effect, disable all the sleep mode, backlight, remap the keys on how you want to take out. So anyway, these are the brown switches. I forgot how many switches are there. I think there were 3, like the red, blue. Shit, I forgot, man. Red, blue, and
somebody touch my
there is another color, but out of the box, let's see. Oh my god, it's so slim. It's thick and smaller compared to you see, the only reason why I bought a new keyboard is just because when I do live streaming, when I want to type something to my other team members, then I have like to do it slowly because it makes a lot of noise when, for example, you hear that? Can you hear this? Or maybe I just go nearer. So this is, it sounds good. That's the only reason why I bought this. And so it's definitely quieter because the brown keys, I remember that it has this mechanical feeling, yet it is quiet. Not so quiet, but it's in the mid-range. So brown is in between the other 2 colors, which is red and blue. Oh yeah, it's a brown. Now I remember. So what it comes with is the instruction manual on how to map and stuff. This is the instruction manual, which I don't think a lot of people will actually look at it. So these are the keycaps that you can actually plug them out. I think, yes, it is definitely, most definitely. And it comes with a USB-C type cable, as you can see. I don't know if you can see here. Yep. So that's the USB-C. Oh, and also this. Yeah, I think it's part of it lah. stuff here that you can just plug it out. I don't know if you can see. I just have to come up. Yep. And that's all. That's all the hook in the box. Very compact and sleek. Let us try and it feels really like a Windows kind of keyboard. Option, command, F1, 2. So we're just gonna do it via Bluetooth. I don't know if this is working. Oh. Guys, look at this, guys. RGB. It'll be better if it's darker though. So, okay, this is what you're gonna see. Do you see that? You can do that. You can keep on changing. So nice. It is not as noisy compared to this one. This is like strictly mechanical, but this one is like super solid. It's built like a tank, and it's like hard. I don't know whether it's hard plastic or it's hard metal, but it feels metally. It has a keyboard here, keyboard stand for those ergonomic kind of person. So again, there are other functions as well for the lights. You can do as you please, and the only thing that may be of an issue is this thing is a bit taller than the keyboard. Okay, I'm actually shivering, but yeah, just wanted to tell you that it needs a higher reach, but overall I think it's really awesome. It complements well with the whole layout here. So that's it. I think I really love this keyboard. This could be one of the best keyboards for 2020. Like, I've used the other keyboards also as well. I've used the Asylum one. I've used Logitech. I've used the standard Apple Bluetooth keyboard, and this seems to be very nice to touch. Very nice to type. All in all, it's awesome. It's really nice and compact. You can actually do it. Like, you can connect this to the other Mac if you just wanna from here and switch there. Same with the Logitech mouse that I'm using. The only reason why I use this mouse is also because it can be connected to 2 devices, which is for me more than enough. So I can control my desktop here, which is my MacBook, and also the iMac. So that's all I have for you today. Take care, stay home, and stay safe. Do subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. Do listen to After 6 Hustlers podcast. We've just started the podcast, so it's at www.after6hustler.com, and there is a podcast section. Also, you can check us at Spotify. Just search for After 6 Hustler. And yeah, we started our first episode on saving local art. It is just a preview on how we can save local music or local dance, or anything to do with art. And also, the trash talk season will also be coming in also as well. That's where we're gonna just talk about trending stuff and self-help and stuff like that. So check out after6hustler.com. Go on to YouTube also as well. Subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.